Hi, this is Tarek here from stockoptionexpert.com. Today we are on November 1st, 2014. Just wanted to share some of the setups with you guys. This is one of the monster one. The big move we had in the market last Friday, it got almost everyone surprised. Nobody expected such a big kiwi money injection for the Japanese people. But I just want to show how we saw the institutional entry. Normally, I never trade any foreign ETFs, never, not at all. But this one really, last week, I was seeing really unusual calls activity around Japanese. This is the DXJ, this is the Wisdom Tree Japanese Total Dividend Fund. Look at this one. What happened to this one as they announced the big quantitative easing last Friday. It has been on the uptrend move right here. If you look at it, it's not like it just make this 7% move here only on Friday here. We saw institutional calls buying back from here. Again, many of you might say, oh yeah, I'm just highlighting this as it is a fluke or something. We only look at the big institutional flow as this is what our specialty is. This is one day move, this 6%. We sent our email to our elite members 5 days ago. It means our email went to our members last Sunday. So probably last Sunday was, if you look at it, was 26th October. Look at 26th October what this one was. 27th was here, 26th mark, it was 24, and then Monday was 27. So it was really at 49 level right here on Monday. And then from 49 to it went to $51. Here you would think logically, if you look at this chart here, this is head and shoulder pattern, head and shoulder pattern. If you just look at the chart itself. But whenever institutions take a big bullish bet, it does not, none of the chart pattern, nothing works. So whenever some people only look at the chart patterns and try to draw, sometimes I have seen it more than a few occasions, it just does not work out. Let's say for example, LinkedIn, last time in their earnings, not this time, the previous time, it was overbought and they were long and it kept being overbought for a long time. Okay, getting back to this one, this is just amazing. I'm just going to give you the proof how we alerted our premium members with the date and stuff. Also elite report, I just want to show you how we reported in that. This is what it is in our last week elite report. Look at this one. This is part of our elite report here. If you look at this one, I'm just going to bold it. Same thing, December 51 calls block bought at 78 cents, almost 7,980. This is just insane. Sorry, I think there was a typo there. So contract. So this is really, it had to be someone taking big 8,000 contracts. If you multiply it by 78 cents, he is betting really huge. And then also I gave technical analysis for our folks above 49.25 and 49.50. This is bullish. And then it exploded since the last Monday. So again, we sent email, plus we alerted our members in our premium. This is a stock option expert premium. This is our premium account. I will just show you in a second that alert here. Where is it? Okay, look, DXJ here has some support. So if you go a bit above here, look. We said this is an October 28th, and we saw the move really came on 31st. This is this is October 28th. We are telling the XT Japanese index has some support. Look into calls from email. We are reminding again after a few seconds. I said the XJ November 7th. Even just highlighting 48.5 5 calls, open interest, has a lot of volume. That means I am telling them in details what they are long, so that they get some kind of look at here. This is the date at I think this is during the 28th October here 2014 when the kiwi came, and then it exploded. Since it just fly to upside and a huge move, and this was the play. This is just insane here. I just want to go through also a few setups of earnings, some big ones. Facebook, this is it was here at more probably it was at resistance level somewhere here. It closed on earnings day. It was really at some resistance. Why would someone, when this is what I said, the chart looked really extended. They brought it down here and then they brought it up here so that they could show short at all-time high. And why would you add something? Or a lot of people went long, and all the media people, they were most of the people's post, blog and everything, they were super long. And what happened? It did beat, the numbers are all good, and then but there was a big 6-7% gap down here from 82. It went down to 76.85. Again, we did say our members, even in our report. I just want to show you even with the dates and stuff. Look, this is our elite report. Facebook has possibility of beating earnings fundamentally. Looks standard on chart. Bollinger Band resistance. I would not add long into earnings on October 28th. So I'm telling them I'm not going to bet to upside at all. And then same thing I reminded them when the earnings came. You want to look at here, you will see on the 28th, right before. I will highlight it in a second. Look at here. Looking into, this is on the earnings, the October 28th, looking into Facebook flow, options flow, not clear. Facebook standard on chart, again I would not be aggressive to upside at all. And then again I say fundamentally I believe Facebook can beat, but just tell me not to go long. I feel like it will be volatile. So I did not want our team members to lose money, so I highlighted it over and over. And I think that at the end of the day I suggested that we go for a straddle. My suggestion play was straddle. So again, if this is what we will look at: chart, pattern, levels, and options flow. Again, it's not simple, or just to make sense everything, and then also market. You have to look at market. If everything is crashing, nothing would hold, for example. So you have to look at various angles. So right now, Facebook holding 100-day moving average here. Nice support. I posted it in my blog last Thursday. If you go in my account, I said that we went long at here at some level here last last Thursday. So it made nicely. It made, some of us made some 30, 40, 50% or higher. In fact, some went with weekly and they made more than 100 or 150%. Another one was Twtr. Twtr had in fact bullish flow here at these levels when it was holding here, and then I believe when you saw something such this is a big sell off, this candle of October 10th here. If you look at this candle, this is just really a big sell off here with volume, and then it did go consolidate again. It hit resistance, it pulled back. There is a small head and shoulder here, head and shoulder. This is neck level if you want to look at it. Not huge, but still. Again, Facebook came up with the numbers, and then they could not meet the market expectations, and then they just kept down. And again, here a lot of people were pumping this one too. They were saying Facebook and like Facebook, Twitter can beat too. They have good numbers and all the thing. They beat last time, they can beat this time too. But my call was straddle, just to make buy, put and call, and one or the other one will go big rather than going put and call. And this one just got toasted here. So I just want to go through some of the indices here. SPY, nice action here with that Japanese QE thing. It is testing all-time high 202. Looks a bit extended. If something goes all like last few days, how it just, you see everyone is talking about V-shape here. Nice V-shape bullish pattern, but we have it's bit extended here, but again you have to consider it as bullish. As you look at it, look at the volatility, how what happens. This thing just crashed here. You would think there is no tomorrow, but again we played level by level here. We played intraday many scalp and we nailed many of the long. Again, I did not, it's not like I'm saying I went all long. No, we went long and short, and we played intraday many of this scalp and made some nice money. It's a bit extended. We have to see how it plays out next few days. And QQQ really strong. It just broke out. You know, this is amazing. Here there is a gap here. Gap, if as long as it holds 101, it's bullish. But again, as you know, gaps gets filled over time. So you have to see how it if it holds this level. If not, it will just pull back and fill this gap here, a big gap here. As long as it holds, it's a gap support 101 level. Below it can go down and see. Make sure whoever you follow and they are being they are guiding you properly. Not after the move they come and tell you this happened, that happened, and whenever there is a pullback, they say this is the crash of 2000 and QE being taken up, and then as soon as there is a move, they say, okay, this is bullish market. We can see all time. I see this a lot of time, lot of misguiding tools and marketing to follow and always verify. Like if whoever you follow and they are bringing you credible analysis. So watch. Trade what you see, not what other people and the media people are posting and everything. Lots of misguiding posts out there. Good luck and please share. Thank you.